Can you see yourself in the 2015 Nissan LEAF? This eco-minded LEAF is packed with features that let you enjoy efficiency, connectivity, comfort, and security. From its smooth all-electric power to its smart software to its comfy seats and driver assist safety tech, this sleek four-door hatchback is poised to make every drive a delight. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, heated mirrors, heated rear seat, satellite radio, keyless start, backup camera, heated front seat, alarm, Bluetooth, aluminum wheels. Be the future in this eco-friendly LEAF. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.